Manok talaga, be. Put. Good morning, everyone. We are Group 2, and here is our presentation. Selecting a topic. The topic is your main point, which can be determined once you have decided on your purpose. So here, selecting a topic means choosing the main idea or subject of your speech or writing, which depends on your overall purpose or goal.
Narrowing down a topic means making your main idea more specific and focused. Narrowing down a topic means making a broad idea and more specific and focused so it's easier to research and discuss.
Data gathering is the stage where you collect ideas, information, source, and reference relevant or related to your specific topic. Data gathering is the part where we collect information or ideas that are related to our topic. We can get information from books, the internet, or sometimes by asking other people to get more accurate details.
Writing pattern is general structure where clear organized idea related to your topic. Ang writing pattern is struktural paraan ng pagsulat o tumutulong sa atin upang maayos at may pahayag at masiayos ang mga idea tungkol sa isang paksa. Halimbawa, chronological order ayon sa pagkakasunod ng pangyayari, cause and effect, pinapakita ang dahilan at bunga ng isang pangyayari. Sa madaling sabi, ang writing pattern ay gabay o balagkas sa pagsulat o tumutulong upang maging malino at organisado ang pagpapahayag ng iyong idea sa isang paksa.
Biographical presents descriptions of your life or of a person, famous or not. Specific purpose: to inform my audience about my grandfather, the late former President Ramon Magsaysay. Specific topic: describing the life and works of my grandfather, the late former President Ramon Magsaysay. So here on biographical writing pattern tells the story of a person's life, focusing on their experiences, accomplishments, and impact on others.
Categorical or topical presents related categories supporting the topic. Means the speech will divide the overall subject into distinct but related main points like separate categories that all support the topic. Like our example here, specific purpose is to persuade the community to reduce, reuse, and recycle as a way to eliminate garbage and protect the environment. The main idea or specific topic is to focus on explaining why community members should promote reducing, reusing, and recycling. To further understand, each R represents a separate category of behavior or strategy in waste management. The three R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, can be understood as three distinct categories of environmental action. Thinking categorically helps prioritize action and makes it easier to design policies, education, and personal habits around each type of behavior.
Causal present cause-effect relationship. Two types: specific purpose, specific topic. Specific purpose: to inform my audience on the effect of overeating. Specific topic: explain the possible effect of overeating on health. Causal ay tumutukoy sa pangkalahatan ng struktura o paraan pag-organize ng isang presentation o strategy. Present cause-effect relationship. Nagpapakita ng ugnayan sanhi at bunga. Nilinaw nito kung paano ipapatupad ang struktura, sanhi at bunga. Nangangahulugan ito ang nilalaman ng SAAS upang ipakita kung paano mahantong isang o higit pang pagkilos o kondisyon. Ang mga sanhi sa tiyak na resulta, ang mga bunga at kondisyon ito ay sanhi. Ang sobrang pagkain ito ang sanhi at ang bunga ay masamang epekto na ito sa kalusugan. Layunin or purpose. To inform my audience to specific overeating. Upang ipaalam sa aking mga tagapakinig ang epekto ng sobrang pagkain, ito ang mga gawa ng pagkakamit ng layunin. Ang pangunahing mithiin at tagapagsalita ay magbigay alam, magbigay impormasyon o dagdagan ng pag-unawa. At tiyak na paksa ipaalam nila ay ang mga epekto ng sobrang pagkain. Specific topic. Explain the possible effect of overeating to one health. Pagpapaliwanag sa posibleng epekto ng sobrang pagkain sa kalusugan ng isang tao. Ito ang nilalaman ng presentasyon, kinukumpirma na ito ang talakayan at nakatuon sa pagdedetalye at paglilinaw ng iba't ibang posibleng masamang kahihinat na ng kalusugan, ang mga bunga maaaring maglusot na mula sa sobrang pagkain ng ating sobrang pagkain.
Chronological presents the idea in time order. Specific purpose to inform the audience about the significant events in the 1986 EDSA revolution of people power. Chronological specific purpose is to explain an event or process in the order that it happened or will happen over time. Specific topic describing the significant events before, during, and after the 1986 EDSA revolution or people power. Chronological topic arranges the event in order they occurred, making it ideal for the historical accounts, biographies, or explaining the process.
That's all. Thank you, everyone.